Hello, this is Ian Lyon from Minneapolis, Minnesota. I'm here with my son Oliver, who's holding 100 paper planes to fold and fly, his new favorite Usborne book, and my daughter Ingrid, who is 1 year old, and she's holding her favorite Usborne book, which is My Farm Animal World, which has little tiny board books inside that she is obviously excited about and has pulled out to explore. And she likes to play with them. They each have a different little animal on them, and they talk about the animals inside of them. They're really cute and easy for her to play with. Oliver, why don't you show some of the airplanes that you've made from the book? Ooh, cool. Let me get a good picture. Ooh, neat. So these are some of the designs. There's several designs inside the book that you can make, and 100 different papers that you can make different kinds of airplanes. That is really cool. You want to fly one for us? Oh, okay. Ready? Woo! Okay, try another one. Throw it more up. Yeah. Wow, cool. Oliver, do you like that 100 paper airplanes book? Come over here, next to Ingrid. Do you like it? Yes. Why do you like it? Oh, you like all the designs inside of it? They're pretty cool, huh? What was your favorite to make, you think? Was there a favorite one? Oh, right. The space shuttle one. That one was pretty cool. Do they fly well, Oliver? The airplanes? How do they compare to the airplanes that you made with your babysitter Emma that are just on paper, regular paper? Are they better?
All of them are better.
Oh, cool. Awesome. Well, thank you, buddy. All right. See you guys later. It's bedtime.